Hi everyone, welcome to IELTS Listenora, your space to improve English listening and speaking skills. Here we bring you easy English conversations and stories to help you practice speaking, learn new words, and gain confidence. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Now let's get started and enjoy learning English together.
Hi Sanya, sorry I'm a little late. The traffic was really bad today.
No problem, Rahul. I just arrived 5 minutes ago. How are you?
I'm good, just a little tired. We have so many assignments these days.
I know. That's actually why I think our project topic is very interesting.
Yes, student stress and time management is something every student can relate to.
Exactly. Almost everyone feels stressed, but not everyone knows how to manage their time properly.
So first, let's talk about our main goal. What do we want to show in this project?
I think we want to show the reasons behind student stress and also suggest some practical solutions.
That sounds clear and simple. Maybe we can start with a short introduction about what stress is.
Good idea. We can explain that stress is a feeling of pressure or worry caused by studies, exams, family expectations, or even social media.
Yes, social media is a big reason. Many students waste a lot of time scrolling.
True, sometimes I also waste time without noticing.
Same here. That's why time management is very important.
So, how should we collect information? Should we do a survey?
Yes, a survey would be perfect. We can prepare 10 simple questions.
Like what?
For example, how many hours do you study daily? Or what makes you feel stressed the most?
That's good. We can also ask, do you make a daily routine? And how many hours do you spend on your phone?
Great questions. After collecting the answers, we can calculate percentages.
Yes, and we can create charts and graphs for our presentation.
I can make the graphs using PowerPoint.
Perfect. I will focus on writing the introduction and conclusion.
We should also add some solutions in the final part.
Like making a study schedule?
Yes, and also taking short breaks while studying.
Doing regular exercise can help too.
Absolutely. Exercise reduces stress and keeps the mind fresh.
Another solution is limiting social media time.
That one is difficult but very important.
We can also suggest sleeping at least 7 to 8 hours daily.
Good point. Lack of sleep increases stress.
I think our project will be very helpful for other students.
I agree. It is not just a project, it is something we can apply in our own lives.
That's true. Actually, after discussing this, I feel motivated to manage my time better.
Me too. Maybe we should start following a routine from tomorrow.
Yes, let's make a simple routine tonight.
Okay, so what is our timeline?
Tomorrow, we prepare the survey questions.
The day after tomorrow, we collect responses.
Then we analyze the data on the weekend.
And next week, we prepare the final presentation.
Perfect. Everything sounds organized.
I'm really happy we are partners for this project.
Me too, Rahul. Teamwork makes everything easier.
Okay, let's start writing the survey questions now.
Yes, no more wasting time.
Agreed. Let's do our best.
Together.